Namaskar. So today, current affairs 2020. So with this new video, I want to discuss about current affairs of 2020. Even though the year we suffered from the pandemic COVID-19, but still the sports events, most of them, they have taken place as usual. Okay. So here we go. The current affairs 2020. Indian athletes Bajrang Punia for freestyle wrestling and Elvenil Valarivan for shooting bagged the top honors at the virtually held FICCI India Sports Awards 2020. ICC announced the men's T20 international and ODI teams of the decade and named MS Dhoni as the skipper. For men's test team, Virat Kohli was selected as the skipper. ICC T20 International Women's Team, Meg Lanning was chosen as the captain. Ajinkya Rahane became the fifth Indian captain to hit 100 in Australia in the ongoing series. Canadian female footballer Christine Sinclair became all-time top scorer in international soccer when she scored the 185th goal. So it is the highest score by both men or women. Rani Rampal won World Games Athlete of the Year award. The 2030 Asian Games were awarded to Doha, Qatar, and the 2034 Asian Games went to Riyadh, that is Saudi Arabia. Cristiano Ronaldo, the star footballer, became the second player to score 100 plus international goals. Ali Dai of Iran was the first footballer to score 100 plus goals in international football. Bala Devi, first woman to earn a professional football contract abroad after signing for Scottish Giant Rangers FC. She also became the first woman from India to score a goal also. The lawn bowls and cycling events included in third Khelo India Games Guwahati. Leo Carter became the seventh cricketer to hit six sixes in an over. Magnus Carlsen set a world record of 111 unbeaten classical games. Jacqueline Williams of Jamaica became the first woman third umpire in men's T20 international match. Bengaluru Raptors won Premier Badminton League title 2020 for the second time in a row. Koneru Humpy won Cairns Cup at St. Louis. FIH Junior Men's World Cup 2021 will be held in India, whereas FIH Junior Women's World Cup 2021 will be held in South Africa. Goodwill Ambassador of Indian contingent at Tokyo Olympics is Saurav Ganguly. Rubigula is the flame-throated bulbul named official mascot of 36th National Games Goa, United by Emotions, is the official motto of Tokyo Olympics. Miraitova and Someiti are the official mascots of Tokyo Olympics. Bangladesh won the ICC Under 19 Cricket World Cup. In the tournament, the player of the series was Yashasvi Jaiswal of India. ICC Under 19 Cricket World Cup 2022 will be hosted by West Indies. Indian Super League won by ATK FC. Safali Verma, the world number one batsman in Women T20 International. Saurashtra won Ranji Trophy cricket title 2020. Kieron Pollard became first player to play 500 T20 matches. Ambassador of campaign I Am Badminton, which was launched by BWF, is PV Sindhu. Kong Kong, Lian Lian, and Chen Chen are official mascots of Hangzhou Asian Games 2022. Bundesliga, Germany's football league, became world's first major sports competition. Ross Taylor, first player from any nation to play 100 international matches in all three formats. FIFA Women's World Cup 2023 will be hosted by Australia and New Zealand. Liverpool won the English Premier League for the first time. Stuart Broad, seventh bowler in Test cricket to get 500 wickets. India is celebrating 100 years of participation of Indian athletes at the Olympic Games 1920 at Antwerp Olympics. India sent 3 athletes and 2 wrestlers. Motera Stadium is the world's largest cricket stadium, which is in Ahmedabad. Ronnie O'Sullivan won World Snooker Championship. Dwayne Bravo, first bowler to take 500 wickets in T20 cricket format. Mullanpur Stadium, which is in Punjab, named as Maharaja Yadavindra Singh Stadium. Poonam Khatri, Indian police officer, won Usu World Championship. Satyendra Singh Lohia, the para swimmer, won Tenzing Norgay Adventure Award. Sumit Nagal stormed into the second round of US Open 2020. New motto of All India Football Federation is Indian football forward together. 2020 Junior Speed Online Chess Championship of Chess.com, won by Nihal Sarin. Alim Dar became most ODIs field umpire. So he represented in 210 games. So he umpired in 210 ODIs as field umpire. Lionel Messi scored his 644th goal for Barcelona and broke Pele's record for most number of goals scored for a single club. Pele scored 643 goals for Santos. Lionel Messi joined the elite 700 goal club. The other prominent members are Pele, Gerd Müller, Cristiano Ronaldo, Romario, okay, etc. India's biggest hockey stadium is being set up in Rourkela as announced by the Odisha Chief Minister. It is to be constructed in the Biju Patnaik University of Technology campus. The Sports Ministry has approved the inclusion of four indigenous games to be a part of Khelo India Youth Games 2021, which is scheduled to be held in Haryana. The four new games are Gatka, Kalaripayattu, Thangta, and Malakhamba. Breaking will make its Olympic Games debut at the 2024 Paris Games. Breakdance, which is otherwise called as breaking, it will make its Olympic Games debut at 2024 Paris Games. It must be remembered that three new sports, skateboarding, sport climbing, and surfing, will make their Olympic debuts at the Tokyo Olympic Games 2021. Formula One world champion Lewis Hamilton has won the BBC Sports Personality of the Year 2020. This is the second time that the 35-year-old Hamilton has been crowned Sports Personality of the Year. Prior to this, he won the award in 2014. David Malan of England has attained the highest ever rating points for batsmen in the MRF Tires ICC Men's T20 International Player Rankings. The 33-year-old Malan has reached 915 points and thus became the first player to cross the 900-point mark in the format. Jehan Daruwala created history as he became the first Indian to win a Formula 2 race at the 2020 Sakhir Grand Prix Bahrain. This was the final race of the Formula 2 season. The Formula 2 Championship is a second tier single seater racing championship. Now, the French Open, Rafael Nadal won the men's singles title, whereas Francelga Swiatek won women's singles. Kevin Kravitz and Andreas Mize won the men's doubles, and Timea Babos and Kristina Ladenovic won the women's doubles of the French Open. Now, in US Open 2020, Naomi Osaka won the coveted women's singles title, whereas Dominic Thiem won men's singles. Mate Pavic and Bruno Soares won the men's doubles, and the women's doubles was won by Laura Sigmund and Vera Konareva. Australian Open, Novak Djokovic won the men's singles, whereas women's singles was won by Sophia Kenin. Rajiv Ram and Joe Salisbury won the men's doubles title, whereas Timea Babos and Kristina Ladenovic won the women's doubles. And for your kind information, that the Wimbledon was cancelled due to pandemic. Now the All England Championship for badminton, Victor Axelsen won the men's singles, whereas Tai Zu Ying won women's singles. Women's doubles was won by Yuki Fukushima and Sayaka Hirota. Men's doubles was lifted by Hiroyuki Endo and Yuta Watanabe. Now the IPL 2020. Mumbai Indians became the champions. Runners up were Delhi Capitals. Player of the series Jofra Archer. Most runs scored by KL Rahul, whereas Kagiso Rabada got the maximum number of wickets. Lewis Hamilton equals Michael Schumacher's record of 7 world titles. He surpassed Schumacher's all time record of 91 Grand Prix wins. Now, the Dronacharya Awards regular. Sri Jude Felix Sebastian for hockey, Yogesh Malaviya for Malakam, Jaspal Rana for shooting, Kuldeep Kumar Handu for Wushu, and Gaurav Khanna for para badminton. Dronacharya Award Lifetime awarded to Dharmendra Tiwari for archery, Purushottam Rai for athletics, Shiv Singh for boxing, Romesh Pathania hockey, Krishan Kumar Huda for kabaddi, Vijay Bhalchandra para powerlifting, whereas Naresh Kumar for tennis and Om Prakash Dahiya for wrestling. India's highest sports award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, went to Rohit Sharma, M. Thangavelu, Manika Batra, Vinesh Phogat, and Rani Rampal. The Arjuna Awards, Atanu Das for archery, Duti Chand for athletics, Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy for badminton, Chandrasekhar Shetty for badminton, Visesh Briguvanshi for basketball, Manish Kaushik for boxing, Lovlina Borgohain for boxing, Ishant Sharma for cricket, and Deepti Sharma for cricket. Savant Ajay Anand for equestrian, Sandesh Jhingan for football, Aditi Ashok golf, Akashdeep Singh hockey, Deepika hockey, Sri Deepak kabaddi, Kale Sarika Sudhakar kho, Baban Bhokanal rowing, and Manu Bhakar for shooting. Saurabh Chowdhury for shooting, Madhurika Patkar for table tennis, Divij Sharan for tennis, Sivakesavan for winter sports, Divya Kakran for wrestling, Rahul Aware for wrestling, Suyas Narayan para swimming, Sandeep for para athletics, and Manish Narwal para shooting. Altogether, 27 sportsmen this year were awarded Arjuna Awards. Dhyan Chand Awards, Sri Kuldeep Singh Bhullar for athletics, Jinsi Phillips for athletics, Pradeep Sri Krishna for badminton, Trupti Murgunde for badminton, N. Usha for boxing, Lakhana Singh for boxing, Sukhvinder Singh for football, Sri Ajit Singh hockey, Manpreet Singh kabaddi, Ranjit Kumar para athletics, Satya Prakash Tiwari para badminton, Manjit Singh for rowing, Sri Sachin Nag for swimming, and Nandan P. Bal for tennis. Now, the world's highest sports awards are Laureus Awards. Laureus Award 2020 given to Lewis Hamilton and Lionel Messi. Laureus Sportswoman went to Simone Biles, the gymnast. Laureus Sporting Moment for the decade 2000 to 2020 for 20 years went to Sachin Tendulkar 2011 World Cup, as he was carried on the shoulders by his teammates. So this got the Laureus Sporting Moment Award. World Athletes of the Year 2020, Mondo Duplantis of Sweden. He was the male athlete of the year, world record holder in pole vault. Whereas for women, world athlete of the year went to Venezuela's Yulimar Rojas. She won the Female Athlete of the Year and she is a world record holder in indoor triple jump. Now, Olympic Games, the last one which was held, host Rio de Janeiro, South Sudan and Kosovo participated first time, and top three USA, Britain, and China in the medals tally. The mascot was Vinicius, motto a new world. Olympics. Usain Bolt ended his Olympic career by claiming triple triple. He won 100 meter, 200 meter, and 4 in 200 meter. Michael Phelps became the most decorated athlete in Summer Olympics. Total number of medals won by him are 23 gold, 3 silver, and 2 bronze. Simone Biles won 4 golds. Mo Farah achieved a double double in 5,000 meter and 10,000 meters. Katie Ledecky won 4 golds and 1 silver. Commonwealth Games hosted by Australia at Gold Coast. Top 3 medal winners Australia, England, and India's rank was third. The mascot was Borobi, motto Share the Dream. Anis Bhanwala was the youngest Indian gold medal winner. Manik Batra, first individual table tennis golds he won. Saina Nehwal, first to win 2 singles golds. Mary Kom, Vikas Krishan, Gaurav Solanki won boxing gold. Susil Kumar in 74 kg, Bajrang Punia in 65 kg, and Vinesh Fogart in 50 kg won golds. Mirabai Chano, Sanjita Chano, Venkat Rahul, Satish Kumar, and Poonam Yadav won gold in weightlifting. Asian Games, the host was Jakarta and Palembang, and top 3 medal winners China, Japan, South Korea, and India ranked 4th with 15 golds, 24 silver, and 30 bronze. And this was India's best performance ever. The motto was Energy of Asia, and the mascot was Bhin Bhin, Kaka, and Atung. Asian Games, Bajrang Punia in wrestling, Vinesh Fogart in wrestling, Saurav Chowdhury shooting, Rahi Sarnobat also won gold in shooting, Tajinder Pal Singh in shot put, Neeraj Chopra in javelin throw, Manjit Singh in 800 meters, and Swapna Burman in heptathlon won the gold medals for India. Cricket World Cup for Men 2019. The host was England and Wales. Winner was England. Runners up New Zealand. Most runs scored Rohit Sharma 648. Most wickets Mitchell Stark with 27 wickets. Man of the match in final Ben Stokes. Player of the series Kane Williamson. Total number of centuries scored 31. 300 plus scores were 26. The finals ended in a tie. The Super Over also ended in a tie. England won the match on boundary countback rule. The highest team total 397 for 6 by England, highest individual score 166 by David Warner, and most centuries were scored by Rohit Sharma, that is 5. Cricket World Cup Women host England and Wales, champion England, runners up India, most runs Tammy Beaumont, most wickets taken by Dane Van Niekerk, and player of the series Tammy Beaumont. Hockey World Cup for men hosted the last one, Hockey World Cup, hosted by Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Winner Belgium and runners up Netherlands. Top goal scorer Blake Govers of Australia and Alexander Hendricks of Belgium. Player of the tournament was Arthur Van Doren of Belgium. The next World Cup also will be hosted by India in 2023. Hockey World Cup for women. The venue is London, champions Netherlands, runners up Ireland, top scorer Kitty Van Mel, and best player Lidovich Welton. The FIFA World Cup for men was hosted by Russia, winner France, and runners up Croatia. Golden Boot went to Harry Kane, Golden Ball Luka Modric, and Golden Glove to Thibaut Courtois. Fair Play Award went to Spain, and the next 2022 World Cup will be hosted by Qatar. FIFA World Cup Women host was France and the winner USA. Runners up were Netherlands. This is the USA's fourth title, and the player of the tournament was Megan Rapinoe. The chess world champion is Magnus Carlsen. Chess World Cup 2019 was won by Radzabov. Prithu Gupta became 64th Grandmaster of India, but at present we have 66 Grandmasters in India. D. Gukesh became India's youngest Grandmaster, and present national champion is Chidambaram Arvind, and among women it is Bhakti Kulkarni. India and Russia were declared joint winners of the 2020 online FID Chess Olympiad. Now, prominent books and authors by sportsmen or sports personalities. Goal by Dhyan Chand, Unbreakable by Mary Kom, Playing to Win, autobiography of Saina Nehwal. These are all autobiographies. Ace Against Odds by Sania Mirza, Mind Master Viswanathan Anand. These are autobiographies of eminent sports personalities. One Century is Not Enough by Saurav Ganguly. The Test of My Life, Yuvraj Singh. Born Again on the Mountain, Arunima Sinha. Unguarded, Mithali Raj. No Spin by Sain Won. Undisputed Truth by Mike Tyson. Faster Than Lightning, Usain Bolt. No Limits, The Will to Succeed, Michael Phelps. Why Soccer Matters, Pele, The Greatest by Muhammad Ali, Playing It My Way, Sachin Tendulkar, The Race of My Life, Milkha Singh, and Golden Girl by P.T. Usha. Now, the sports and what their fields, clear playing grounds are called as. For athletics, it is track. For baseball, it is diamond. For boxing, it is ring. For badminton, it is called court. For cricket, it is pitch. For golf, it is called course. For shooting, it is range. Ice hockey, it is rink. Bowls, it is greens. For bowling, it is alley. And swimming, it is pool, and for judo it is mat. For cycling it is velodrome, and for football it is the field. Now the obituaries, because 2022 also clear we lost some eminent sports personalities and includes Kobe Bryant, the legendary basketball player who was fondly called as Black Mamba, whereas Balbir Singh Sr., the three-time Olympic hockey gold medalist from India, Rajinder Goyal, the most wicket taker in Ranji Trophy with 637, we also lost him. Chetan Chauhan, Sunil Gavaskar's longest opening partner, and he was also elected twice to the Lok Sabha. Also, we lost him. Diego Maradona, who was famous for the hand of God goal and also the goal of the century. This legendary footballer from Argentina who won 1986 FIFA World Cup, and in 1990 he was a runners up for Argentina. So we lost him too. Paolo Rossi, the legendary Italian footballer who won in 1982 the World Cup for Italy. Not only he lifted the coveted trophy, but along with the World Cup, he also won the Golden Ball and the Golden Boot too. Chunni Goswami, so who represented India in 1960 Olympics football. In 1962, he won Asian Games gold for India, and in 1964, Chuni Goswami was also a part of Asia Cup gold medal winning Indian team. And not only this, he was exceptional sportsman. He also played two Ranji Trophy finals for Bengal. So in this way, we learned that is how 2020 was in one way a fruitful, but at the same time we were unfortunate that we missed a lot of sports extravaganzas, including the Olympics, which had to be postponed. Besides this, several sports tournaments and events had to be either cancelled or postponed. So that's why this is a year which will be remembered for the coming generations, because COVID-19 spoiled many sporting events. So here we conclude, hoping that this will be quite helpful for you for the upcoming competitive examinations. So please do subscribe, share, and comment. So thank you for watching.